Welcome to yet another tutorial. This time we are going to focus on the thermal insulation of a chimney and cover it with flexible KLINKIERO tiles. The chimney will be insulated with rockwool, which is the best way to insulate chimney systems, because it allows you to maintain a high vapor permeability of any partition. Of course, you can use polystyrene instead, but as professionals, we recommend rockwool. Apply an adhesive onto the rockwool. I'll spread it with a notched trowel and start gluing. I'm drawing your attention to the fact that I'm not distributing the adhesive all over the wider piece of rockwool. I'm leaving an edge here, because if I covered the entire panel, a thermal bridge would be generated here. That is a place where freeze penetrates into the chimney. Now we'll attach the corners. We have already fixed the angles. Now let's sink in the net. The chimney has already been protected with the net. Now, let's wait 24 hours, apply some primer, and cover the chimney with KLINKIERO tiles.